How to create Gmail account. When you create a Google account, Google asks for some personal info. By providing accurate info, you can help keep your account secure and make our services more useful. You don't need a Gmail account to create a Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page. Click Create Account. Enter your name. In the username field, enter a username. Enter and confirm your password. Tip: when you enter your password on mobile, the first letter isn't case sensitive. Click Next. Optional. Add and verify a phone number for your account. Phone number for your account. Click Next. Enter your current email address. Click Next. Verify your email address with the code sent to your existing email. Click Verify. Your existing email. Click Verify. Step 2. Protect your account with recovery info. Address with the code sent to your existing email. Click Verify. Step 2. Protect your account with recovery info. If you forget your password or someone is using your account without your permission, updated recovery info makes it much more likely you'll get your account back.